All right, that's closed up. I'm gonna get these floor mats pulled out, get them all vacuumed up, get underneath vacuumed up, at least get all the dust that's been sitting for years in this thing out of here. Oh, what are these knobs? Oh, I guess it's adjustment for height. That's up. That's down. That's neat. And you can tell these rear seats haven't been used at all. Same with that one over there. Even the front passenger is in really, really good shape. Condition-wise, the door panels are in good shape, and it's hard to see from here, but even the driver's seat's in good shape. There's no tears or splitting of the seams or anything like that on the driver's seat. The only area, that outside bottom bolster, is starting to dip a little bit. It's not worn and it's not ripping or anything like that. The color's all still there, just like new, but the foam is starting to dip. So I think what I can do, if I ever get around to it, you see that this one has nice bolstering. What I can do, I've done plenty of upholstery work, is pull off that bottom cushion and restore the foam that's underneath on both sides on the driver's seat. If I ever get to doing that, I'm going to restore the the front and both sides and even the middle to get it nice and plump like it was from the factory. I also found this guy, goes here, seat adjustment, and it's got a little plastic tab on the inside that's broken. I'm going to try to see if I can find a new one of those to get it replaced and get it like new again. Apart from that, seems pretty good. I'm finally happy with the purchase. I was kind of pissed off at this thing a couple months ago when I first picked it up because of the problems with the diesel injection pump and the transmission solenoids and such sticking. Now that that's all been worked out, I think I can live with it for a while, and it's worth putting some effort and money into to get it back in tip-top shape. So follow along. Hopefully you enjoy the series with this H1 restoration and some of the fun I'm going to have with it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And in the meantime, enjoy the videos. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time. Love y'all.